This is Sev Barfi made in 10 minutes with just 3 ingredients, that is milk, there is Sev, and there is Khoya. And this is my mom's recipe and she's making it. So she's taken 250 grams of milk, any plant-based milk or the regular milk. Once you just put it to boil, add the Khoya. Now this Khoya is again, she makes it at home by boiling milk and she keeps stirring it for a while. This recipe, it hardly takes any time and for any occasion you can make it. So we don't add any food colors. In fact, we have added turmeric, so it gives a lovely yellow color. So it's natural and it's good to use rather than the food coloring. And in this she's again added 250 grams of sugar. So it's 250 grams milk, 250 grams Khoya and 250 grams of Sev. So it's easy to remember, just these 3 ingredients, and you let it boil. Once it boils, you add this Sev. So remember, the Sev would be unsalted Sev. So only in some places you may get, some places that sell sweets, they may offer it. So again add Sev, stir it nicely until everything is mixed up properly. You see that you have to keep stirring it, and this takes less than 7 minutes to make. So on any occasion, like there's a birthday party or there is any function in the house, or for Diwali especially, so we make a lot of these boxes and we keep it to serve people, so it's freshly made from home. You take any thali, a plate, and put pure homemade ghee and cover the whole thing with ghee, brush it up well, pound some almonds and some fresh elaichi, cardamom, and once done, just set it in your plate. You just have to mix it, it's set, and put almonds and cardamom and enjoy.